Hello and welcome! On this video, I will show you how to make gorgeous paper bows, which will make your gift wrapping look outstanding. And let's get started with the easiest one, the accordion bow. It's a very simple bow, anyone can do it. I use shiny, patterned and glittered paper for my paper bows. But you may use any kind of paper you want. Glittered, patterned, single colored, or even newspaper or magazine pages to make your bows. And now let's make another one. You will need 4 long and 4 shorter paper strips and another piece for the tails. I'm not giving any sizes here, as you may adjust the size according to your gift package. And here comes the third one. This is my favorite bow. We will do some drawing here, but it's very simple and easy to draw. But if it's easier for you to work with a template, I will put a link below for you to download the template. We made 3 different paper bows today. Hope you enjoyed the video. And here comes the fun part, where you like my video and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to my channel. And do not leave just yet, cause another video is up next. Or you might continue watching my videos I chose for you. See you on my next video. Have fun!